Okay, so welcome to round 2 analysis, and first of all, you can see from selected financial statistic, we already have the best return on stock. The second company is Digby, but when we go to asset turnover, also we did quite well compared to any other company in the industry. For return on equity, we had 23.7%, which was also the highest in the industry. For cumulative profit, we have 25 million, which is also the highest compared to the second company, also Digby. When we go to the market share, we had that at 7.4%, again, which is the highest in the industry. Also, you can see the stock price bounced back, and it closed at 83.11. In the previous round, actually the change was 17.30, which is a good indication. From the result, we managed for decision to score 75.1 out of 80, and then for the question we had 69 out of 84, which actually is a very good result. So now we can proceed and go to decision, and we can start making decision for our round 3.